Welcome to Rethinking Bitcoin with your host, Mr. Buy. All right, guys. Hey, we got a few more updates that we dropped, and I am going to be sharing it with you guys in this video. You might notice it as of this morning. I dropped it maybe about 20, 30 minutes ago, but I'm going to go over it in this video just to give you guys an update on what's there, why it's there, and how to use it for your own personal strategies. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, you guys are making me rethink Bitcoin, and I don't mind because this is the type of feedback that's going to help make the system even more robust, more user friendly, and accommodating to all users. So I have been checking out some of the feedback you guys have been dropping in the comments, and I wanted to make a few updates to the system. So especially now, since I just recently launched some updates on the back end that you guys should be aware of. Well, in these updates, it's more so going to be on the front end to make you guys more aware or have visibility of what the back end process is doing. And I went ahead and did upgrade a few other things that people have requested. So my girl Canaries here requested that we have some type of conversion calculator. And so I've added that feature on the dashboard. And hopefully, while I couldn't completely grasp everything you needed, hopefully, Canaries, this will support your needs. And if it's not, drop me a comment. Let me know what's up. Let me know exactly what it is that you're looking for or how we can change it. And maybe I can better accommodate you with that. All right. And I also had a shout out from New Day, New Dollar. Hey, this system is still kicking out. He's loving it. But is it possible to show a live Bitcoin price action in the UI? I did reply, and there is technically is doable. However, let me pull up this wallet. This is my poor man's wallet right here. The thing is, I didn't want to display it up here anyway because these sites have to be collapsible, if you will. I have to be able to shut it down. So, all the links aren't always going to display easily on a phone or when you close the window up a little bit. And you would have to pretty much go to another section to look at it anyway. So what I've done in this regard is just added it here over the currency conversion calculator. Okay, so you guys can kind of play around with the calculator here by either converting from Bitcoin or Satoshis to whatever other fiat currency you want to use there. And this right here, New Day, New Dollar, will be a quick reference for you to go down. And I do understand that you might need this on other pages, maybe to sell credits or something like that, or even the sending payment. So whatever pages that you see that you would like that information to have the Bitcoin price on, let me know which pages, and I'll see if I can come up with a way to put that information out there. Certainly, we don't need it on pages like the settings because, nobody's really doing anything back here. But just let me know, give me some feedback, New Day, New Dollar, and we'll handle that. And I didn't forget about you, Michael. All right, so you did indicate, you wanted to see something in US dollar and AUD, Australian dollar. So Yeah, just come on down, and right here you have your 1 Bitcoin converting in US dollars or whatever your selected display currency is, right? And you can always come down here, switch that to Australian dollars, and you have the equivalent there. So you have that 70,000 to the 106,000. All right. Those are the updates that were requested here. Now, another couple of updates I made for you guys. Number one is to display the yield. So because this amount can change somewhat on a monthly basis, I want to give you guys clear visibility of it, because not all of you always go to the home page to say, hey, what is the current yield that these wallets are generating right now? So in the dashboard, you will always get a quick reference of that here. So it might go up, it might go down, but in all things, we're keeping the system in a state that it will be stable and continue to kick out yields for you guys. Now, speaking about those yields, so the releases I just dropped a couple of days ago was to increase the conversion rate of credits. So what I've done is drop an indication here to let you guys know at any given time the conversion rate of converting from your credits to Bitcoin. And I did it in Satoshis per hour. Okay, so rather than, I know Drip Coach has gone out there sometimes and tried to pull out the calculator to try to calculate, hey, how fast are these credits converting? Well, it's not, at this point, it's not everything the same for everybody. Okay, it's all going to be determined on numerous factors. Some of it on the system level, some of it on the wallet level, and how you interact with the platform. So when you come out and start making purchases and purchasing credits, as I explained to you guys in the previous video, you're going to start getting extra boost on your conversions. Okay. And at any given time, any of you can come out here, and if you want to know how fast your wallet is converting, you could just reference that. You can come down to this calculator. So if I'm doing 328 Satoshis, I can set that to Satoshis, put in 328. That'll let me know that, okay, I'm making 35 AUD. Let's put that in US dollars. I'm making about $23 a day. I mean, an hour at this rate. Okay. And not $23, 23 cents. 23 cents times 24, that kicks me out about $5.50 a day. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is my poor man's wallet. I only put in less than $50. I put in that minimum deposit here. Okay. And I have enough Bitcoin again to either withdraw or go back to the marketplace. So I'm going back to the marketplace and I'm going to dump it and buy some more. Keep in mind at this point, my current conversion rate is 328 Satoshis per hour. So I'm going to head out to the marketplace and see how I can benefit on this $13 that I got. Okay. So I can buy this here at 17.55% discount. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy that. Remember, I got that 328 Satoshis. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this purchase. All right. And let me see what else is out there real quick. Just to see if there are any higher things available. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back out to the dashboard and see what we're looking at now. Okay, so my conversion rate just increased from 328 Satoshis per hour to 348 Satoshis per hour. All right, so now instead of making, I'll put that as sets, 348, so I'm making 25 cents per hour instead of that 23 cents per hour. So that's a quick reference for you guys. And this is pretty cool because it actually does put a little gameplay into it, because when you go out there and you're competing to purchase and buy credits, you can get huge gains in this if nobody else is doing it. So if there's not a lot of active engagement in the marketplace, you could potentially double the rate at which you are converting your credits into Bitcoin. So it really does incentivize all of us to get out there and purchase credits, as well as incentivize you guys that are selling credits to continue to sell. And it makes the world just a better place for us all. All right. I think that's all I got for you. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the description. We'll try to clarify things where we can, and we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.